Hey YouTube, it's your girl Chilee and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a quick DIY tutorial on how I arrange my plants and put together my shelf for my room. If you're interested, then keep watching. So I actually purchased these plants from Joann. They were all 50% off, so it was for a really good deal. Here I found a really pretty pearl plant, and then after that I found a wreath that I actually will cut in half. And last but not least, some more greenery just to add to the aesthetic. Period poo. I don't know if I'm actually gonna keep it like this. My plan was actually to just cut it in half and stick it inside, but let's see. Once I finish building the stand, we'll see if it looks good or not. This is my desk or dresser, or actually I don't even know what this is. Like a little table stand. So the instructions look pretty simple. To be very frank, I literally built pretty much almost everything in this room. I built my desk. I built a lot of things that I've had to put together. I put together by myself. I literally just put together a table like 2 days ago. So this is about to be easy peasy lemon squeezy because I don't even see any like screws, or I wouldn't need any of my drills for this. This is all gonna be manual. So this should take me fairly quickly. So it's been like 2 minutes and I'm already done with this part of the desk. Alright, and I'm done. That was literally less than 10 minutes and I'm already done with this desk. So I'm about to move this stuff out of the way and set it up. Honestly, I don't know if I'm going to add the jewels. It already looks fine like this. So I have some books that I'm going to add underneath. I actually do read these, but just to add to the aesthetic as well. And we're done. Like I said, you guys, I might decide to cut the plant in half and kind of have it on two separate ends, or I might just keep it like this. But this does add to my room. It's like a nice little book area aside from having all my books over here on my desk. So you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Make sure to put on your post notifications before you leave, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Peace, love, and blessings.